Hey, what's going on everyone? Vega here for SerpentX Tech, and in this video I want to show you how to add proof of meme token to your Metamask wallet. Many of you are very familiar with Metamask, and you know how to add new networks to your Metamask wallet, but I just want to go through the basics and show you how to do it, because obviously we need the RPC, the chain ID, so on and so forth. Now, proof of meme token, or the community have all the favorite social media profiles. They even have a Medium article that shows you the step-by-step process. But if you don't have MetaMask yet, you can just go to the official application store, because obviously there's Apple Play Store or Apple Store, there's Google Play Store on your Android, so on and so forth. For the browser extension, we just need to go to the Chrome Web Store and then search MetaMask in the upper left-hand corner. Then we're going to click the application. And I already have it installed, but you're going to see add to Chrome up here in the upper right hand corner. Once you have it added, you need to look for a little puzzle piece in the upper right hand corner of your browser. When you click that, you're going to see all your various browser extensions. But obviously we need to pull up the main information first. So go into the Medium article. Again, they have step-by-step process, really nice and neat laid out. But here's all the info we need: the network name, the RPC, chain ID, symbol, and so forth. So we're going to click on our puzzle piece, go to MetaMask. You're going to want to unlock it with your password. Once you have done so, you're going to click at the top here where you're going to see Ethereum mainnet, maybe Polygon, what have you. Click on it, scroll on down, or go ahead and locate the Add Network option. And when you click Add Network, it's going to open up a new window. So we're going to do Add Network manually. And here's where we're going to plug in this information right here. So proof of memes mainnet, RPC URL, we got it right here, mainnet-rpc.memescan.io. Then we want to put in the chain ID, 18159. And then the ticker symbol, which is POM or POM. I wonder how some people say it. And then the Explorer, the blockchain Explorer, which is explorer.memescan.io. Once we do that, we can hit save. And now we have added proof of meme token to our MetaMask right here. You can start mining to this address and just copy it right here. You can start participating in the ecosystem and the network. And that's really it. I just wanted to show a quick video of how to add proof of meme token to your MetaMask wallet. Many of you are very familiar with how to add new networks, but for those of you new to the industry, we welcome you, and hopefully this helped you out. Do me a favor on the way out, make sure to hit the like button, make sure to also get subscribed and hit the notification bell to stay up to date, and check out some of the links in the description to help support the channel and what we do here. And you have a wonderful day. Take care. I'll catch you next one.